Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the key difference between const keyword and read-only keyword. The first point is const or constant or can be assigned value only at the time of declaration. So let's say, at here I am going to take the public and here using const keyword and here taking integer variable a. So if I'm going to execute the code, so at here I'm getting the error. The error message is a const field required a value to be provided. So at here we have to give value. So if I give at here 12 and execute the code, so at here no any error. Now here after the second thing is read only variables can be assigned value either at runtime or at the time of instance initialization or via constructor. So at here, let's take public and here a static read only keyword and here going to take double. So if I'm not going to initialize anything at here, so this is okay, no any problem. Now hereafter if I initialize at here, value will be 56. So this also okay, no any problem. So at here the point is read-only variable can be assigned value either at runtime or instance initialization or we can initialize the value inside the constructor. So at here this is the constructor. So let's create a constructor and check. So at here going to take constructor a static program and here I'm going to initialize the value of a with 13. So a is the constant type variable. So at here I'm getting the error. On left hand side assign must be variable, property or indexer. So a must be variable, property or indexer. But a is the constant type. So that at here I'm getting the error. So what we need to do at here next, if I initialize d with 12.89 and execute. So no any error this time I'm getting. That means at here we can read only variables, we can initialize instance initialization or we can initialize the instance inside the constructor. So this is the first difference between const keyword or read only keyword. So second difference I will discuss later. Now hereafter I'm going to delete this code. Now here I'm going to take the public tab const keyword integer variable a initializing the value with 10 on here public read only. So this time not going to take a static read only variable. So at your public read only int b and here going to create the constructor public program. So this constructor no any parameter initializing value of RD 122 and here console dot write line and here I'm going to print the value of t. Next, I'm going to take public add here program and int a comma b. Here d equal to a plus b. Now here console class dot write line and here going to print the value of t. Now let's go to inside of main method. So at here going to get the object of program class program t equal to name of program and here program p1 equal to name program. So at here I'm passing two parameter. First is to have here 9. Now if I'm going to call at here, so first I'm going to write the console class dot to write line and here program class dot a. So A is the const keyword and here it's displaying A only. That means at here the second point is constant variable have access using class name with variable name. So at here I have given class name and variable name A. And at here if I am going to call at here console.writeLine of t dot, so at here it's here in list only d displaying. So at here read only variable have access using instance name and variable name. So instance name at here or p and here d is the variable name. So this is the second difference between read and const keyword. So here write console.writeLine or p1 dot d. So this is the second difference between read and const keyword. So at here for const keyword we need to use class name and here we need to use object name. Now the next difference is second difference I'm going to discuss now. So at here second difference is our const keyword is the compile time constant and here read only that is our runtime constant. So let's say this one. So at here we need to go at here Visual Studio, Visual Studio tools here or development command. So at here we need to write ILDASM. ILDASM, search the file name. So the file name is SAM. Here open and here SAM. So at here two variable I have taken. First is A, next is D. Two variable A and D, and here public static literal int. So about this one, so a static literal int field public. So if you are going to search about const, so literal fields oh, at the need, so you will get this things. So literal fields value is compile time static or early bound constant. So this is a compile time constant, const keyword, and about this one. So public init only. So this is a runtime constant. So search this one also public. Write in Google public init only. So you will get this one about also. So this is the things at here. Const keyword is a compile time constant and your second or a static read only at your runtime constant. So this is the second difference. So this is the difference between const keyword and read only keyword in C#.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any doubt related to this, leave a comment. Definitely I will reply. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you.